I don't think people realize you can start an AI agency without knowing a single line of code. Seriously, if you can type, you can do this. Let me show you my shortcut to six figures. When I first heard about automated AI agencies, I thought it was only for tech geniuses. But then I found MarketingBlocks, a software so simple my grandma could use it. Here's the secret. All you do is enter a few keywords, pick your niche, and MarketingBlocks AI builds your sales pages, emails, ads, everything. It even works in any language. Getting clients? Easy. I posted examples on social media, showed friends and local businesses, and let the AI do the talking. No awkward sales calls, no stress. If you're ready for a side hustle that actually works and want to skip the learning curve, this is your chance. Financial freedom is waiting. Click the link below and join the crew of self-made AI agency owners. No skills required, just results.